How to set a custom statue on Discord. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first guys and you open Discord. After this, when Discord is opening, you will go here on your profile, then you click. Then after this you will go to set statue. And then on set statue we'll go to the last option, set a custom statue. Then here you will write your, for example, hello, I'm here, and I will click, for example, don't clear, and then I will click save. And that's it. As you see now, I set a custom. Yeah, and that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next.